welcome to Kala Mandir YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm doing super great. I'm Radhika. Today in our episode, I'm with a lovely collection that is Chandni cotton. Kala Mandir introduced easy online shopping process. In the description, you'll be providing with all the sari codes. Just click on your favorite sari code. It will direct our website. From there, you can shop very easy. Or else, just take a screenshot along with the code and share it on the number 9852 985299. All over the India, shipping is free with Kala Mandir. Hurry up ladies, choose your favorite sari from today's collection. Let's begin with first sari. Lovely green color Chandni Pattu sari. All over body we got leaf motifs. It's a brocade design. Border with zari woven and also floral zars. So pallu, self color pallu all over zari woven with hues, pasteries and florals. Looking so rich. And this sari paired with a plain blouse with border. To purchase, code is BJ760. Actual price is 1,999. After 30% of discount, you can purchase at 1,400 only. Next sari, lovely magenta Chandni Pattu sari. All over the body, we got peacock and floral motifs aligned as vertical lines. That's the border with peacock motifs and also horses and circle florals aligned in blocks. Pallu, heavy zari woven pallu all over, floral brocade and also peacock motifs combination. This sari paired with a self-colored blouse with butta. Code is BJ745 and the price is 1,999. After 30% of discount, it's 1,400. Next sari, very bright red color Chandni Pattu sari. All over body we got beautiful floral booties. Border, it's a simple and medium zari border with rudraksha booties. Pallu with zari woven with floral brocade and also with border, looking so rich. And we got a plain blouse along with the border. To purchase, the sari code is BJ739 and the price is 2,099. After 30% of discount, you can purchase it 1,470 only. Next sari, navy blue color Chandni Pattu sari. Body with zari leaf motifs. Border zari khadi and also floral brocade. Zari woven pallu all over with hues, pasteries and florals. And this sari paired with a self plain blouse along with the border. To purchase this sari, code is BJ775 and the price is 1,999. After 30% of discount, you can purchase it 1,400 only. Next sari, very lovely parrot green color sari. All over body we got silver zari weaving floral booties. And that's the zari woven border, beautiful zari border. And very rich looking zari woven pallu with floral brocade and also pasteries on the edge. This sari paired with a self plain blouse along with the border. To purchase, the sari code is BJ809 and the price is 2,099. After 30% of discount, you can purchase it 1,470 only. Next sari, very lovely blue color sari pattern we have seen. All over body we got floral brocade. Border is also with lovely florals are. Very rich looking pallu with heavy pasteries and also zari woven. That's the plain self color blouse along with the border. To purchase this lovely sari, code is BJ794 and the price is 2,999. After 30% of discount, it's 2,100 only. My dear beautifuls, for more collections, you can also follow us on our digital platforms. Our Instagram ID is Kala Mandir Fashions, Facebook Kala Mandir, and for YouTube it's Kala Mandir. You can also visit our website, that is www.kalamandir.com. Next sari, very pretty pink color Chandni Pattu sari. All over the body we got zari leaf motifs. And that's the border with zari khadi and florals. Pallu with zari woven all over with hues, pasteries, very rich looking pallu. So this sari paired with a self plain blouse. To purchase this sari, code is BJ769 and the price is 1,999. After 30% of discount, you can purchase at 1,400 only. Next sari, very lovely violet color Chandni Pattu sari. This is the last sari for this episode. All over the body we got silver zari weaving floral booties. And coming to the border, we got a zari khadi and also pasteries mixed border. And here comes the pallu, brocade pallu, self color. And blouse, we got a very lovely blouse, self plain blouse with border. To purchase the sari, code is BJ783 and the price is 2,099. After 30% of discount, it's 1,470 only. So to purchase, just take a screenshot and share us on the number 9852 985299. How is the collection, ladies? That's so lovely and pretty Chandni Pattu sari collection at flat 30%. Choose your favorite one sari, ladies. Shipping is free all over the India. See you in the next episode with an amazing collection. Until then, keep smiling. This is Radhika. Bye-bye.
Dil Ke Diwali sale is now live. Shop from our exciting festive collection worth 6,000 and get a voucher worth 6,000 free after every successful delivery.